Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Very good.
Good.
How are you?
Good. Why I'm here?
No.
Because you're gonna talk about breast cancer awareness.
Good job. Okay, well, this is me, Watim from grade 7, here to share some information on the specialty of this month. Okay, which month is this?
Breast cancer month, I guess.
Which month?
October.
It's
October.
Okay, what is the specialty of this month?
What is it in October? Come on, girls.
Yeah.
What do you think? Why are we choosing this month for breast cancer information? Okay, even if you don't know, she's going to share information today, okay?
This month is
Okay.
raise awareness about the impact of the breast cancer. Okay.
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 Who knows what is a breast cancer?
Did you ever hear about cancer before in your family?
Yeah.
Who knows what is a breast cancer?
I think to celebrate like for the people who had cancer and then like
Good try, yeah. Normally, your cell in your body divide in a normal range, but people who have breast cancer, their cell change into abnormal, sometimes harmful. It can divide quickly and over again and again without dying, making many copies of itself. And this is how it starts to form. Okay. Why do people get breast cancer? Who knows why do people get breast cancer? Okay. So who knows why do people get breast cancer?
what
Why do people
it is laggy.
Is it okay now?
Okay, now it's good. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
who knows why do people get breast cancer? Okay, first from the family history, like your mom, your father, even men can get breast cancer. Your mother, your cousins, if they had a breast cancer, you will get more chance to get the breast cancer. And the second one is the age. As women get older, she will have more chance to get the breast cancer. And the third, diet and lifestyle choices, like women who smoke, who drink alcohol, eat high-fat diet, and don't get enough exercise. Like women who are lazy will get more chance to get the breast cancer. And the important thing, women who don't breastfeed, like they want the shape and they want to be pretty. Okay. Who knows what are the signs of the breast cancer? Like, I mean, how you know that you have the breast cancer?
Symptoms like
Yeah, the symptom of the breast cancer. Like when you see this symptom, how you will know that you have the breast cancer?
Okay. Yes, Maria?
Miss, I'm sorry, I don't know.
Okay,
Well,
she will
it's okay.
explain today.
She may find a painless in her breast, and the color will change, and the skin is going to be very hard, and the nipple discharge. Okay? But all lumps should be like checked by a doctor. So
The lump means it's like a small hard, you know, when you try to examine yourself, you will feel something which is hard, round like
your
ball.
skin is gonna
But it
be
is not important that it is breast cancer. You have to go to a doctor
to check. Okay, how can you prevent breast cancer naturally?
can do exercise and have a healthy lifestyle?
Yeah, good job. Okay, first, do not smoke and do not drink alcohol because it's haram. And keep weight in check. Be physically active, eat your fruits and vegetable, avoid hormone tablets, breastfeed your baby. This is so important. Yeah, if no one can hear me, I'll repeat it again. Keep weight in check, be physical active, eat your fruit and vegetable, don't drink alcohol, don't smoke, breastfeed your babies, avoid birth control pills, and avoid hormone tablets, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So I hope you had a great time with me. Did you?
Yeah.
Would you like to ask her any questions, or do you have anything to say now for your colleague? I mean, for your senior? Do you like to say anything else?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and I hope you received some information regarding the breast cancer. And we have girls to provide the mental support, and we have to care about the fighters, right?
Yeah.
I hope to see you again. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much, Wateen. You can go and join your class. We are very glad that she was here with us and she shared so much information with you. And I hope you all understood and got little information or more information regarding it, like what all are the things you have to avoid and what are the things you have to do, and how can you, how can you identify or how can you examine yourself, okay? I will try to email you the, what do you call as PowerPoint so that you can read it later. Okay, girls? So how was it today? Did you all get information? You need to
better than math.
as much as you can to your to mother, parents, to your sisters, everyone. So this was today, and that's it, girls. Now let us see diet of breast cancer. They have given diet also here and how to prevent. It's by Wateen Fahmy, Rita Al Ibrahim, Leen Muhammad, all of them, they made these slides, and it was supervised by me, Miss Naila, and Miss Dina, English teacher, and of course, Miss Wala, our great support. Okay, thank you, guys. Now let us continue our lesson now.
Okay.
Okay, take out your books, girls.
Okay, Miss.
Everyone get ready with your books.
We want to do the breast cancer again.
The month of October, the last weeks, and we got it today, a chance, and we are here. I wish you all were here with me, and I will just show you the picture, what we have done today to the school, and 1 minute. Inshallah, next time when you're here with me, we will definitely do the same. And you will have, you will have a chance to share information with everyone, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, guys. See, this is what we have done on the first, second floor. And the girls will be standing here and they will talk about it. Can you see, girls? Not yet.
Yeah, we
Yes.
can.
We can't see them.
I don't know what happened to my laptop. It is blinking. It's giving black screen. And why today? But you can see it, you said, right?
Yeah.
Miss, also my laptop always there's like a black
It's
screen
like
all
when
the time.
when I'm sharing something, it's blinking. Okay, when I
Yeah,
don't.
mine's too.
Okay.
It's very weird.
Miss, I have a question. Do seventh graders and older girls get their phones in school or no?
What do they get?
Their phones to school.
No, they are not allowed. Nobody is allowed. Only during quizzes they get their iPads, or Kahoot they get their iPads.
What?
Yes, they play and then they give it back to Miss Wala.
Wait, so they bring it?
Yes, they bring it. Sometimes when we instruct them.
Okay.
Okay, girls, I think I'm not able to share. Lastly, I will try again to share the screen. If not, girls, I'm just quickly turning on. Okay, yesterday we had done rational numbers. Compare and order rational numbers, right?
Right.
Did we finish the comparison yesterday or not? I think we did only 2 pages.
Oh yeah, I think so. Let me open the page though, just a minute.
So today, turn to page number 159.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes,
On the
ask.
homework page, it says on question number 10, write the opposite of the number. It says minus 5.23. Do we just write 5.3 without the minus?
You can just put a positive sign. Positive 5.23. That's it. Okay?
Miss, wait, what page?
Page 159. You can see here on the screen. Girls, what can you see on the screen?
Miss, we did it until 18. 153.
Did we do 159 or no?
Yes, we did.
Okay, which page did we finish then?
Miss?
153. Miss, we didn't do 159. Until 100.
Girls, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me call out Maria.
Yes.
Did I do page 159?
Oh, wait, one second.
No, Miss, we did not do any page in this lesson.
I did this.
No, Miss, we didn't do it.
We didn't start with this.
151.
Okay, 3.3, 1 minute, 1 minute. Rational numbers and number line. Did I do page number 100? Did I do page number 153?
Yes, we did. Until number 18.
Okay, I told I will be explaining you this 15, 16, 17, 18 tomorrow. Girls, now point A is 1.0. You know that it's minus 1. Point B 0.75. Girls, do you know that 0.7 is nothing but 3, 4? Do you know this?
Yeah.
And where do 0.5, 0.75 comes? Where does it come? It comes between, the 3/4 comes between 0 and 1. It comes between 0 and 1. So point B is, they have already given you there. Next, you have point C, that is 0.25. You know that 0.25 is quarter, and I put it here. And then we have point D, 1.25, that comes between minus. Negative means it is somewhere here. Negative 1.25. Girls, this was an easy lesson. I'm not doing the graph, this on number line. Okay. They ask you, go to page 153, the textbook, and you have this, right? Do you have this on page 153?
Wait just a second. No, we don't. No.
Okay,
Have
okay.
it? We don't have.
Okay, listen to me. This is just page, write down page 153 and take a picture, girls, for these questions. Please take a picture because you cannot draw it. It will take a lot of time. Take a picture, everyone, page 153. Take a picture. It's just point out points on number lines. Did you all take a picture?
Yes, miss. Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Miss, why do I need to take the picture?
Because see, these questions are there, number 4, number 5, these questions are there. I will give you as a homework, right? So usually copy and solve, practice. So you can practice at home and check the number line that do you know how to point it? If you know, you can just see the picture and you can see that, do you know that how to point it? Where is 0.7, where is 1.4? If you know it, that's okay. It's just for practice, my dear. But how will you know your answers are correct? By looking at this picture, okay? Okay, sweeties. Did you understand what I'm saying? Now, yes. Now turn to lesson number 4. Compare and order rational numbers. Compare and order rational numbers.
Miss, do you need this to write this all?
You need to write it, but I will explain first.
Okay.
Like today, we are supposed to do number line. Okay, I'll just explain you the first part. Girls, did you understand about the number line? Everyone?
finish though.
No, I'm not telling you to write now. I'm just explaining you. Let us begin lesson 3.5. Compare and order rational numbers. You will compare them, okay? So the table shows the average December temperatures in the 5 US cities. Which city has the greater average December temperature? And Indopolis. Now, girls, if I write here -1, 0.9, minus 0.6, 2.1, and -2. Okay, now question goes for Tala. Which one is the greatest one in all? These are the average temperatures. Which is the greatest temperature? Which city has the greatest temperature?
Philadelphia. Philadelphia has the greatest temperature.
Philadelphia. Philip, that's PA. You can just tell me the short form. Okay, good. Now, Lamar, which one has the least? See, compare between -1, -2, and -0.6. Compare and tell me which one has the least.
The least is 0.6.
Okay. Now, see, Lamar, to my question.
No, Miss minus.
Yeah,
minus
it is
two.
-2 is the least. Very good, Lamar. In the negative number, the higher number is actually the lowest one. Okay? Did you understand this? Now, they asked the temperatures for Indianapolis. Where is the Indianapolis? -0.6. Negative means it is to the left side, because it is negative. And this is 0.2, this is 0.4, this is 0.6. Now, how do you know that this is 0.2, not 4? Because we just have 5 lines. If we have 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I will say 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. But when we have 5 lines, you know that each line is 0.2, 0.4. So just put a point there. This is 0.6. This is actually Indianapolis. And then you have with B boys. With B boys. These girls, complete this. The best way is when you look the numbers. You look at the numbers and decide which one is greater, right? Looking at it, you can easily say that -0.6 is greater than -1. Because as I said, in the negative number is greater. The greater one is the smaller one and the smaller one is the greater one. It's opposite.
Yeah.
Finished, girls? Can I move up? Everyone?
Okay, right now I'm just writing.
So what does
The
that
verb.
mean? That means 0.6 is warmer than minus 0.6 is warmer than minus 1 degree Celsius, because this is the higher temperature. So that means this is warmer than minus 1 degrees. That is in Indian policy. There was someone who was asking me about the homework. Please, can you ask me now? One question you said you did not get it in homework.
I just asked you a minus if it says, for example.
Yes, I clear it to you, right?
Miss, I understood a little bit from what you explained now.
Done, girls? Now here, this question. The elevations of object found at a dig site are recorded in the table. Which object was found at a lower elevation? The fossil of the shell or the fossil of the fish? Okay, they gave you the fossil of the shell as minus 3.5 and fossil of the, okay. Now you all know very well, if I ask you minus 3.5, how much it is, Feroz? What can I write? Can I write minus 3.5? Can I write minus 3.5 as minus 3.5?
Yeah.
And how about 1/4? What can you write 1/4 as?
0.25.
Excellent. How about minus 3.25, okay? So when you can write all of this, simple, girls. Here, actually, they ask you to make the common denominator and everything. Okay, you don't do much. You just copy this, but follow the same method as I have shown you. With the logic, you know that. All right, let us do this way. Okay, let me even explain this way. What did they say? When you have two mixed fractions, make the denominator same. So you make the denominator same by multiplying with 2 and you get 3/2/4. Like you multiply this with 2 and you multiply with this 2. You get 3/2/4 and 3/1/4. Of course, 2 is greater. That's why this is greater. 2/4. But when you say negative, minus 2/4 is less than minus 1/4. So minus 3.5 is less than minus 3/4. Girls, in the mixed fraction, they ask you to make, Dana, you there? Dana? Dana is
Yes,
not
miss.
today. Dana, are you able to understand this? Like if I say -3.5, -314. Actually, with this number, it's very easy. -3.5 and -3.25. You know that -3.25 is greater. But if you have some other number, there is also one more way to make the denominator same. And then when you see the denominator same, you know that -2 is less than -1, and you just got this answer. So the fossil of the shell was found at a lower elevation than the fossil of the fish. Okay, girls? Understood?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Okay, girls, I will be ending my class today very quickly because we have already finished